Hey guys, today let's try to fix Telegram not sending code on iPhone. So if in the case that you're trying to verify that you're the user of your specific Telegram account, but the code is not necessarily sending to your phone, one of the quickest ways that we can actually fix this is to double check if we have sufficient signal with each of our SIM card carriers. So you can actually go over on the top corner of your screens to double check if you have sufficient signals, and you could also go ahead and try to turn on your airplane mode and then turn it back off again so that you could have a quick reset of your signals and also give you better signal of your device, allowing those codes to be sent to you properly. Now, if you still have bad signal on your current location, the best way to fix this is to go ahead outside of your houses and try to go onto a much more clearer location wherein there is no outside interferences with it, so that the connection and also the code will be sent to your device properly and promptly. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.